Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Simply Struggling Here, being indecisive again, and this time it was over the color of my bedroom furniture. I took all this cheap crap and I'm just giving it a little facelift. I can replace it all later. I only have so much money. But I decided to paint it all blue. I decided the blue was too drab and then decided to go back in and add some white chalk paint to it. And so I painted all my hardware blue, and then I spray painted the hardware blue, and then I started painting the drawers and facings with chalk paint. This cheap little side dresser is more of a plastic overlay, so I did all chalk, and then I did a little something on the top with some tiles to be able to make it a non-slip surface. I'm actually putting a cover on that, a clear cover on that, just to be safe. Anyway, that's what I did over last week. Thank you guys for stopping by and have a fantastic week.